CBSE Class 10 Biology 2026 Smart Prep Tips, Common Mistakes and Scoring Strategies. NBMS warns DNB 2025 candidates barcode errors will cancel results. CAT 2025 final answer key expected soon. What candidates need to know. UP Police Computer Operator Grade A Recruitment 2025 apply for 1,352 posts. India climbs to third in Stanford Global AI Vibrancy Index. Hello everyone, welcome to Education News Network. I'm Pallavi Kulkarni and here are today's top education news. With nearly 26.6 lakh students set to appear for CBSE Class 10 in 2026, science, especially biology, plays a key role in shaping academic choices. Biology carries 30 marks and covers 5 NCERT chapters. Experts stress conceptual clarity over rote learning, as examiners value process, sequence, and correct terminologies. Diagrams are crucial. Well-labeled visuals can secure marks quickly. Strict adherence to NCERT language, definitions, and examples is essential. Students should begin the exam with confidence. Questions to build momentum, maintain neat presentations with subheadings and keywords, avoid overwriting. Precision, correct spellings, and complete diagram labeling are vital to maximize scores. NBMS has begun DNB final theory examination for December 2025, scheduled from December 18 to 21 across India in hybrid format. In a crucial notice, the board has warned candidates that any error in entering the barcode of the answer booklet will lead to automatic cancellation of results with no scope for corrections or appeal. Candidates must carefully enter the barcode before starting the exam. An answer booklet cannot be replaced. NBMS provided an online mock test to help candidates practice the process. Students must also verify that booklets are intact, correctly numbered, and uniformly barcoded. With zero tolerance for technical mistakes, precision is mandatory. IIM Kozhikode, the conducting body of CAT 2025, is expected to release the final answer key shortly on the official website after reviewing objections raised against the provisional key. The provisional answer key and response sheets were released on December 4 with the objection window open for December 8 to 10. The final answer key, once published, will be non-challengeable and serve as the definitive basis for score normalization and percentile calculation. Any corrections or withdrawal of questions will directly impact final scores. Candidates can access the key by logging in with their CAT credentials. The release marks the final step before CAT 2025 results and subsequent VAT, GD, and PI shortlisting. The Uttar Pradesh Police Recruitment and Promotion Board has released the notification for Computer Operator Grade A Recruitment 2025, inviting applications for 1,352 vacancies. Online applications are open from December 16, 2025 to January 15, 2026 at the official website with mandatory one-time registration. Eligible candidates must be 12th pass with physics and mathematics, hold on zero-level computer certificate, and meet prescribed typing norms. The age limit is 18 to 28 years of July 1, 2025 with relaxation as per the rules. Selection includes a written exam, typing test, document verification, and medical exam. Application fee ranges from Rs 400 to Rs 500 depending on category. India has ranked third globally in Stanford University's 2024 Global AI Vibrancy Index, behind the US and China, highlighting its rapid progress in artificial intelligence. The 2025 edition of the index, using data up to 2024, evaluates 36 countries across 7 pillars, including research and development, economy, talent policy, infrastructure, and responsible AI. India jumped 4 places in a year, moving from 7th in 2023 to 3rd, overtaking the UK, South Korea, Singapore, and Japan. India scored 21.59, outperforming South Korea and the UK, and showed up strong performance in innovation and economic competitiveness. The US remains the clear leader with the weight of 78.6, dominating most AI pillars globally.